This is Garrett with Hydra-Test. I'm here with Jeff from Certified. They got one of our welding station 3.2. Jeff, just looking for a little feedback. What do you think of that?
All right, Garrett. Hey, thanks for the introduction. Yeah, we're here working with Garrett. He came down to give us a tune-up on a couple of things we need to do with our machine. So far, it's been a pretty good deal for us. Works nice, dual gun. A couple things we like. Definitely like the enclosure on the machine so the operator isn't exposed. It's got a nice exhaust system on it. Quick change with setting it up, putting it in the chucks, and safety where it comes down doesn't damage the hub in any way. So you've got the chucks and adjustability in that. Machine operates real fast and does a good job for us.
We're hoping to do more business with you, and any feedback you got, we can keep improving this product line. We'd really appreciate it. So thanks, Jeff.
You bet. Thanks.